I've been using the Regal line for over 40 years. Every characteristic a paint can give you, it gives you.
It covers the best. So when we apply the second coat, we know that that's all it's gonna be.
If I buy a cheaper gallon, you may have to go for a third gallon. So if I buy 2 of Regal, it's a definite 2. The spreadability is so much better.
The recoat time is only an hour, which, from a business perspective also allows us to be as efficient as possible.
You're saving money buying Regal Select, no doubt. Regal Select's washability is amazing.
People want a product that is durable, is also easy to maintain, can wash it if need be. It's all about trust and being able to stand behind the product that we're applying. Working with Benjamin and Regal Select allows us to do that. It's not even a second thought.
I don't know what they're doing different from other paint companies, but they're doing something.